Good morning. Welcome back to the Sunset Homestead. See these little critters over here? Our turkeys and our guineas are performing beautifully. We got them for tick control specifically, and my goodness, since we've started letting them free range, I think I found 2 ticks on the dog and none on us. It was to the point where we were finding like 4 or 5 ticks just on the dog every day. It was crazy. Good birds. I don't know why she goes in there and lays her eggs, but she does it every day. And I think she's teaching other chickens to do the same, because yesterday I found 3 eggs in there. Hi, Cinnamon. I think Cinnamon likes everybody the best. And Tico doesn't like anybody. Hey, Wendy. Wendy is massive. She's just gotten huge. I believe the girls are back in heat because Bob is really trying to get over there. Hi, Bob. You've gotten rather large also. I picked him up yesterday and he feels like he's 20 pounds. No, she feels like she's 20 pounds. He feels like he's about 15. I know that they're not that heavy, but they're heavy. Hi, Bobby boy. And I think that I was wrong. I think both of these bunnies are girls. That's not totally surprising. Actually, it's not surprising at all, because when I checked them, they were still really, really, really little. And there's still a possibility that I'm wrong, because they're still pretty little, although they're beefcakes. I mean, they are. There we go. They're big. They're 2 weeks behind these guys, and they're almost the same size. Aren't they adorable, though? They're not used to being held yet, so I might get bit. Don't bite me. Here's one of Sylvian's babies. Like, this one has maybe 4 or 5 ounces on the one that I just had in my hand. It's not much. What you guys doing?
Getting wood chips for the girl pigs, and then we're gonna empty this giant mound of wood chips out.
That should only take you about an hour. Bacon, my man. You're starting to be a pretty beefy guy. I can't even get you all on camera. Wow. There we go. Well, sort of. I can't see because of the sun. There we go. Hi, buddy.
I need to stop work over
What am I going to do with you?
Take him off steroids.
Well, he's not on steroids.
Oh. I thought he was on steroids.
No, definitely not. George, stop playing in the water.
Yeah, the pig drinks that, but it also drinks mud. So, yeah. Weird. That was funny. Sonny, you think you'd be able to do that? Yeah, George. Take it down.